guys! Yes, I'm back, and for this video, I'm gonna unbox the Christmas gift from my friend and my student. So I'm very excited, guys, because this is the first time that I receive gifts here in Thailand. As you have noticed, guys, I am wearing a mask because my lips are swollen. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this gift, guys, is from my friend, from Ati Jazz. She has written here, "May your days be merry and bright." Oh, thank you. Merry Christmas. Wow, thank you so much, Ati Jazz. I met her at the immigration, guys. That was 2019. Yeah, and since then we became friends. Alright, how to unbox this, guys? Hindi ako sanay. Hindi ako sanay mag-unbox, guys. Okay. Why? Sorry. Hey. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Okay, here you go, guys. I'm so excited. What's her gift for me? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Hair straightener. Hair straightener, guys. I love it. Okay. I miss my hair straightener in the Philippines, guys. Wow! Thank you so much. OMG, it's very nice. Wow. OMG, it's very nice. She knows my favorite color, guys. It's red. Oh my god. Thank you. Okay. Next one is, wow, this one, guys, from my student. I don't know what's in here, and I'm so excited to open this. Okay. Wow. Okay. She doesn't want me to mention his name, guys. He's a shy type person. Wow. Eh? Eh? Guys, it's Boya. It's a microphone used for vlogging, guys. He knows that I do vlog every week, guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you for this. There's still a price. It's quite expensive, guys. Wow, OMG. He knows that I do vlog every week, guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for this. I want to tell his name, guys, because he doesn't want me to tell his name. He is a shy person. Wow, I'll be using this soon. But I don't know how to set up this. I have to watch tutorial on YouTube. So cute. Hi, thank you. OMG. Wow. Okay. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. So thank you for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Bye bye.